Hello everyone, my name is Vish Walia. I'm the Scale Strategy Lead at Microsoft's Customer Success Marketing Organization. We are excited to invite you to an amazing event, Microsoft Customer Success Day on March 16th. It is the first ever virtual event that is exclusively focused on customer success, business value management, and adoption. We're teaming up with Dynamics User Group, also known as DUG. Our goal is to empower our customers to build their success journey. And that's exactly what we're doing in this event. Our customers will have the opportunity to hear from Microsoft leaders about Dynamics and Power Platform solutions, their roadmap, and the future. Microsoft success experts will talk about success planning, adoption planning, and value realization so that our customers can gain benefits from their dynamic solutions. Microsoft is committed to drive customer success because customer success is Microsoft success. So please make sure to register at the link below and spread the word about this event in your network. See you there.